Founded in 1976 as Rainbow Tree Care, we have been practicing plant healthcare for over 40 years. In the 1990s, fed up with the lack of science-based treatment protocols, Rainbow Scientific was born. On November 1st, 2021, we changed our name. The new name, Rainbow Ecoscience, gets us excited about the future as we continue to serve you with the plant healthcare support, training, and innovative solutions that you expect from us. Our new name represents our ongoing commitment to support you and all urban ecosystems. As new and old PHC issues show up across the country, we'll be your partner as we take on the future together. Plant healthcare is unlike anything else in the green industry and requires specialized tools to perform the work properly. Since the early days of injecting elms in the 1970s, Rainbow has been at the forefront of innovative equipment design specific to the needs of proper plant care.
Science is the cornerstone of a healthy plant healthcare business. For this reason, Rainbow invests in research and development to address the biggest challenges in our industry. Our internal research department and team of expert arborists partner with government, university, and industry scientists to conduct field trials that mimic the real-world scenarios we all work in every day. We use the data and insights generated during these trials to develop industry-leading management protocols. These protocols form the base of every recommendation we make, as we know predictability is vital to running a science-backed business.
Our people are passionate about helping your business and the environment. We have experienced tech support available to answer any plant healthcare question and local reps that are experts in the issues of your area. As your PHC partner, Rainbow is dedicated to serving you and our team.